Hey sis, hey, let me put you on real quick. This ain't your average dish soap. Nah, sis, this is some next level chemist formulated magic straight from me to you. And guess what? It's made with mostly plant-based ingredients, so you already know it's powerful and good for you. You've been buying that store-bought stuff, but listen, it's time to upgrade. This is what you need in your kitchen. So let me break it down for you. First up, we're using AOS 40, a surfactant made from coconut oil that's biodegradable and straight up tough on grease. This bad boy right here cuts through grime like it's nothing. The stuff they sell in stores, it ain't even close to this. I made sure it's concentrated so you don't have to be using half a bottle just to clean a few dishes. A little bit goes a long way, and that's facts on facts. Then we got SCI powder, y'all. Another plant-based ingredient, also from coconut oil. It's bringing those bubbles, honey. And baby, you'll be drowning in foam. And that's what we want. We're talking thick, rich lather that gets every dish sparkling. Not that weak foam that disappears after two plates. And to keep your hands soft, I added coconut-derived bentane. This one's also plant-based. Yup, straight from coconut oil again, because you don't have to sacrifice your hands to get clean dishes. I'm looking out for you. And while we're talking about looking out for you, we're keeping it all in the way natural with vegetable glycerin to protect your skin and citric acid, made from citrus fruits to keep the formula balanced. See, it's not just effective, it's eco-conscious too. Now, let's keep it real. Nobody wants kitchen smelling like last night's dinner. So I hit you up with DO Concentrate Household. This right here neutralizes any and all odors, fish, onions, whatever. And if you want to put a little razzle dazzle fragrance in it to keep your dishes smelling as good as you do, go ahead, sis, add that fragrance oil to it. So why settle for that store-bought stuff when you can have this, okay? This mostly plant-based, super concentrated dish soap, okay? And you know who gets it done? Moi, me. You're invested in something real, something that works and makes you feel good about what's going down the drain. So stop playing with weak soap and level up with this right here. You deserve better, sis. And you know you got it, okay?